Did you know you can lock any app on your iPhone? And you don't need any paid tools or apps to do that. For example, check this out. If someone tries to open my Instagram, watch what happens. It's gonna lock my phone and they will need the passcode or Face ID to be able to go back into my phone. So how do you do it? So a couple of steps. You don't need to download any paid tools or apps. So let me show you all the steps. Step number one, you're gonna go into your clock app and then go to the timer. And at the bottom, it's gonna say when timer ends. It may be set to one of these settings right here, but make sure you set it to stop playing and then set it. So make sure your when timer ends is set to this. Now step number two, and extremely important, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't have this, download this. And then in your Shortcuts app, click on Automation, and then click on this plus icon on the top, and we're gonna create a personal automation. So click here. Now select the app that you want to lock. Click on choose, and now whichever whatever app you want to lock, and by the way, you can select multiple apps as well. Let's do Instagram, and after you select all the apps or any of the apps you want to lock, click on done. Now make sure it's clicked on it's selected to it's open, because we want to, whenever someone opens Instagram, we want to lock it, right? So then click on next on the top. And now this is extremely important. Click on add action. So what happens when someone opens Instagram? So let's do that. And here type timer. And you're gonna click start timer. And instead of 5 minutes, change it to 1, and then change this to seconds. Start timer for 1 second, and then hit next. And then make sure the ask before running is turned off. And now hit done. And here's the automation. I already actually had this. So here is, you can see when Instagram is open, start timer, and it's gonna last for 1 second. And that's it. Now, whenever someone is taking your phone and try to open Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, they're not gonna be able to stay in that app. It's gonna lock your phone. It's gonna lock the app. Look at that. Any questions? Let me know.